Now let's see how you can work with the share preferences inside of Snagit. So I've already opened up Snagit editor right here, and then to access share preferences, you go to share and then you go to share preferences right here. Once you do that, you can see that there's a lot of options that you can access, like there's box and everything else, and all of the share options are located right here. So you can go over here and then go on to share preferences. If you want to remove out anything, let's say for example, you want to remove out box, you can simply go over here and type in remove share destination. You can also go to options to connect it with box right here, just like that, as you can see. So let me just remove that out, and over here you can remove and restart that out right here. So once you restart the application, box will no longer be available. So right now the editor is still up, so you don't see that out. You can also add in share options. So if you were to go to share right here, and then if you were to press the add share destination right over here, what happens is that it opens up the web page of TechSmith where you can download out options, share destinations. So over here you can see you can add in share destinations according to what you want. Like you can add for Relay, you can add for YouTube right here. These are already there, as you can see right there, like OneNote and everything else. So if you were to go to share right here, OneNote, everything is there. So if there's anything that you want to add out or you removed out, let's say for example box or anything else, then you can simply add it from over here as well. So let's just go over here. There's let's say OneDrive for Business. So if I were to download it, let's see what happens. So if I were to download it, I can open it up directly with Snagit, and what happens is that it says OneDrive for Business is added. You can restart it now right over here. So let's go ahead and restart it and see what happens now. So I close the application, and now if I were to start up the application again, let's see what happens. So I'm opening up. So this is starting up. So if you were to go to share, you don't see box anymore because we removed that, and OneDrive for Business is right here, just like that. And that is how you can work around with share preferences inside of Snagit. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.